3-speed design. The DEWALT Brushless Impact Driver features 3 speeds for application control. Speed 1 at 0 to 950 RPM with max torque of 500 inch-pounds is designed for finer finish applications, including faceplates and brass hinges. Speed 2 at 0 to 1900 RPM with max torque of 900 inch-pounds is designed for applications such as metal-to-metal fastening, where there is fear of stripping and fastener head breakage. Speed 3 features 0 to 2850 RPM and max torque of 1500 inch-pounds for usage including driving lag screws and thinner gauge metal-to-metal fastening. The speed selector is electro-mechanical, featuring an electronic change of speeds with mechanical interface. This mechanical interface of the speed selector allows the user to easily see the selected speed without pulling the trigger, and also gives assurance that the correct speed is selected when changing speeds.